Hey guys, this is Dr. John from Zova. We're doing a little video today that's pretty applicable for this time of year. So we're talking about how to pick up children without hurting our backs. So it's the holidays. If you don't have kids, you might be around a lot of kids in your family. If you do have kids, this is something that you probably use every day. So a lot of us tend to, whenever we pick up children, we tend to do it kind of poorly. So Tiffany's going to kind of demonstrate that. So here she is, she has pretty straight hips, straight knees. Most of this bend is happening in her low back. So now when she picks the child up, she has to use the muscles of her low back in order to do it. And that leads to achiness, soreness, can eventually lead to disc injuries, sciatica, all kind of bad stuff. So instead what we want to do is we want to use a motion called a hip hinge. So Tiffany's going to demonstrate that now. So now her spine is staying straight, her hips and knees are bending, so she can use her hips and her knee muscles in order to lift the child up instead of having to use her low back muscles. Now this is for, a relatively tall child. When we're talking about babies that are a little closer to the floor, we're going to want to use a different method. So instead of using the hip hinge, we're going to use the lunge method. So you'll lunge back, bend down, pick up the child, and then stand up. So these are something that if you use this, you'll have a lot less stress on your low back. You just have to be mindful during these holidays, or if you already have kids, and you're doing this every day, you want to be mindful when you do this. And this will help your back feel a lot better. Thanks for tuning in.